You wanted to know how to add a stopper to the hood in the bottom. This is what I did here to the tracksuit. It's a little bit laggy. Here, okay. That's how I did it. So the stopper, I think I have that from Closet Connect. Let me check. Here's no stopper. Let me check in the store. If you go to trim and search for stopper, yeah, there's many stoppers. I don't know which one I have exactly, but that's the one that I chose here. So I have a stopper here and what's the name? Eyelet. Yeah. And how you edit is you need first to get from Closet Connect. Let me find the one I used here. That one I used. YKK. This one. Yes. Then just add it to the cart. You can also get it from any 3D platform. But I mean, it's on Closet Connect. That's the easiest way. Then just here's my trim. Then you have the trim object browser here, trim tab, and then just edit. And then let me delete this. You just put it on the garment. Assign to current colorway. Yeah, there it is. It's way too big. I have it at 150. Like this. And usually I first simulate the garment and then I apply it just for rendering. Because the simulation is oftentimes buggy, laggy. That's why. And here I just put it there. Like this, for example. Yeah. And then you can change the color. Because if I simulate, I have to attach it. So there's a few problems here with the simulation. Now it's synchronizing. First of all, if I simulate now, let me just simulate, then you will see what happens. 1 second here. I already increased the particle distance. All right, let me show you on a new fabric. Let me open another fabric. 1 second. Maybe I have too many trims here in this file. That can be. You can attach it to your garment, you know. If you click here, and then tag it here.
लाइव लेक्चर ले रहे हैं चुप कर साइड पे पापा ने भेजा अब तुम्हें पापा बुला रहे अल्लाह की कसम मुझे नहीं पता
Because there was a setting where you could activate and
Where?
deactivate the trim.
Please speak loud.
Do you understand me? Ali, welcome. How are you doing?
इतना मैं नहीं देखता वॉशरूम में चले जाओ
Do you speak English? Okay, thanks for muting. You can always write in a chat too, if you want. I'm just speaking about how to apply a stopper. All right, here it is, the base model. Again, I have my stopper here from Closet Connect. Trim. Yeah. So first, what I do is I create a hole.
I have one question.
Yes, please.
How can we log into CLO3D?
Do you have the software installed on your computer?
Please speak loud.
Do you have the software on your computer?
But I don't have the license.
You need to get the license from CLO3D.
From where can I?
Here,
Okay.
clo3d.com. There you can get it. And you go to free trial.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Okay.
Where are you from?
My good life.
First, I need a sublayer, of course. Layer clone.
Can you please speak loud?
Am I too?
I can't get what you said.
Maybe you have to make it louder on your computer. You know? I have to remove the linked editing. This new interface. Here. All right. So we have the hole here. Let me simulate. And then what I usually do is I make a drawstring, like an elastic string like this here. And I just copy it to my new project. But I will show you what kind of material it is. It's also when I copy to another project, I have it with the stopper attached from the previous project because I attached it to it. So that's my elastic cord fabric, thickness 1.5 millimeters. Just a normal fabric here with the normal map. Doesn't really matter. Just should look a little bit like an elastic cord and be black normally. All right, and then what you can do is you can sew it or attach it to your lower fabric, for example, like this here. Oh, that's too low. I should have kept that the ellipse that I can see my placement. And then what I also do is I attach it to itself. So I get, so it's attached to each other, because I will explain in a second. It's easier to show. For example, like this. So now you have this, and if I delete the tag to itself, it will be like this, and I can. You see the stopper is attached to the cord, but it doesn't really interact with it. Okay, if I put it here, keeps it away. Wait, does it work? Let me check that. Let me select the mesh here and put it in there. Oh. What is the issue here? Okay, let me delete this for a second. Okay. So first you need the string here. Then let me pull this out here like this. And get my stopper again. There was a setting in the past where you could toggle simulation on and off. I don't know if they deleted it or I just don't get it. But yeah, let me put this here. Normally I don't simulate. I just simulate the string and then I put the stopper. For me, that's easier. But I will try get it with simulation. Actually, it actually works. I didn't know. Nice. So it's just stuck in there. Maybe I can move it. Yeah, but that works. That's nice. That's really nice. So I can rotate it a little bit. Okay, that worked better than I expected, actually. Okay, cool. Good to know. And then for the whole, I'm taking an eyelet. Here's my eyelet. Also, just attach it. And I have to make it smaller. Yeah, that's just an example hole. It's not real size. But the eyelet should fit the hole, of course. And then I'm going to attach it.
Hi.
What happens if I just put it there into the fabric? Does it simulate with it or no? No. I think I have to attach it to the fabric.
And just take me on the way. And
Hey, can you please, I'm explaining something. Can you please stop singing? Or mute yourself, then you can sing.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, okay. Oh, let me go back. All right. Oh, no.
I have a
Really,
question.
the yes, please.
How can I don't understand? How can I operate this app that are you using?
Uh, have you installed it already or no?
No, I
Are
don't have
you
access.
okay? You have to install it on your PC to use it.
I have entered my email of school on that, but it declined.
It's separate from Skool. It's not the same thing.
So I have to buy a separate subscription for that.
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. All right, let me get some seam taping to make it stiffer. Maybe not that big. Yeah, this one doesn't really interact. Is it about the CPU? I can change the weight too. I can change the weight, but not if it simulates or not. Collision thickness 1, 0.3. Let's check if that makes a difference. Yeah, the problem is that I can attach it to the fabric to my garment, but no, not really. So maybe it's easier to delete it, simulate with the stopper here. Also, maybe lower the stopper weight to 0. Yeah, that's nicer. Why is the fabric attached to the stopper? Okay. All right. Yeah. Now that's better. And then you simulate it. So, oh, no, let me just rotate it. Simulate it like this, and then you put the eyelet onto the hole. After simulation. That's easier. Let me simulate again. Yeah, it's just no. Let me go back. Oh, with GPU it works better. All right. Yeah. That's how you can do it. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it works. And same for the bottom. For example, for this tracksuit, I have it here. The elastic string is also attached to my garment. But same here as the other one. First, simulate with the fabric and the cord, and then put in the stopper, and the eyelet is the last thing. That's how it works best for me. Then I have a stopper here, but this one I just put it there.
बोलो खाचे
after simulating. Yeah, that's how it works. Sayed, welcome back. I just explained how I'm doing this. I'm creating this. I have a piece of fabric attached here, and I put in the cord, and I simulate this, and then I put in the stopper and the eyelet. That's best how you can do it. And your stoppers and everything is on Closet Connect, of course. Yes. And now if you
How many years of experience do you have?
I think 4 to 5 years now.
Okay, good, good.
Yes, but you can get to my level way faster than me, because I didn't have a school community or anything like that. I just had a beginner's course, and that's it. And I had to teach myself a lot
Do I have
through
the beginner course or another?
the beginner's course is in the school community. Yes, you can use it.
Do I am in the beginner course?
Look, I will show you.
Okay.
Here, if you go on, here's the community, right? That's the community.
Yes.
And then you go on the classroom, and you can start
Okay.
with this. This is like 7 days, the first basics. I also explain how you can get CLO3D.
Okay. Thank
Then
you.
I
And
explain
how many duration course is this?
the duration. I don't
Yes,
know.
for my course.
There's you can do it in 1 day. Like it's
One
just
day.
yeah. It's just you see the lessons are not longer than 3 minutes, and
So I can leave after I will learn.
if you want that, sure,
Okay. Thank you.
that's up to you. That's rhinestones, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, you're
nice.
welcome. Ah, I already showed you how you can add rhinestones.
Why are you
What's it
watching
about
reels?
exactly? Big and small. Uh, yeah. Do I have rhinestones here? Yeah, I have rhinestones. Here, this is a rhinestone stitching, and I think that one is a normal one. Yeah, just oh no, it's stitching. Where's the difference? Yeah, for example, this is a trim. So let me check your image again. These ones are symmetric, or it doesn't matter. Yeah, you can just
These are
take
fake
this
stones.
one. Yeah, it's rhinestones. Just use this tag tool, tag them on your fabric, and then, for example, we are making them silver. It's metal, or you can make them whatever you want. And then you can change the size to 1 centimeter, for example. How big is it? Maybe 1.2. And then you just, the easiest way is to just press Control C and Control V, like copy and paste. Put it here, paste, 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 paste. For example, and I think you can also simulate it. Wait, let me go back. Do I have to attach it? Yeah, no, you don't have to attach it. It's already attached, as you can see. Yeah, or you just copy, and then you see copy, Control C, and then paste, Control V. Yeah, like that, big one. Then you just copy it, and you make it smaller, 0.7, for example. Just attach it again. Is it accurate? Maybe even smaller. 0.6, and then again, copy and paste. Yeah, and then you can change it after. If you say, oh, it's too big, I want 0.4, small ones here. This one's also too big. Let's make it 1. Could do it like this. It's a little bit of work, but yeah, in real life it is too. So that's just normal. And this is new stud Rhine 8 millimeters. If you go to the store, into the trim tab, and search for rhinestones, price free, then you have here different types of stitching. Here's also nail head, and then it's this one here. There's also this one, rhinestone. Yeah, you can use it. I also use this, for example, the star. Here you have different types. Then just attach it to your fabric. Here's the stitching. You can also do it with stitching, but that's harder. Like, for example, if you just paint the internal line, then it's more symmetrical. For example, I can just paint lines in there and then attach my rhinestone. Like this, and here I can length. That's bigger. No. Let's do it like this, and then that thickness 4 and 1 millimeter. So now, if I hide the internal line, you have also lines here. Then you can just draw more I don't know, like this. And then you can draw patterns if you want, but attaching them, like doing it with the trim, it's better. It's easier for this kind of thing here. Yeah. Yes, very simple.